So the physical transport features of the Portamix Mega Hippo makes it a very versatile and mobile unit for large areas and smaller, tighter areas. Some key features we have here are the 4 swiveling casters. You can see here, so all 4 casters swivel, allowing the machine to go any direction you need to when you're moving it, or when you are pouring it out, you can go on the sideways along that way. The other features of the casters here is we've got on the back, we've got 2 braked casters. So when you're mixing and adding the bags, you can brake the machine to stop it from moving off from your mixing station area. The casters themselves are a rugged heavy-duty caster with a splatter guard, which allows the bearings inside the casters to keep clean and free of splatter when you're manoeuvring it through the poured product. The size of the machine itself, the physical dimensions, allow the machine to be used in standard doorways and corridors and hallways, so the machine can pass through a standard residential doorway without any obstructions. The other advantage is that when you're working in high-rise commercial areas, this machine can be used in a standard personnel lift. You can fit through a standard doorway into a lift and up into the multiple levels. The tipping function on the Portamix Mega Hippo allows you to very carefully and precisely pour out the full 5-bag or 6-bag batch. To start the tipping function, as you stand in the back corner here like this, with one hand on the handle, you tilt the lever like so, and then you take the weight, the back of your hand, taking the bulk of the weight, and you can decant the product pouring away. So this allows for accurate and precise pouring of the mixed compound